Welcome to our tutorial on how to find hidden groups on Messenger on your PC. Are you ready to uncover those elusive group chats? Let's dive in. To begin, open your web browser and go to messenger.com. Once you've reached the site, navigate to the Home section and locate Messenger in the left menu. Click on Messenger to proceed to the next step. In the top left corner near the Chat section, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options provided, select Archive Chats. By clicking on Archive Chats, you'll gain access to all your hidden group conversations. This feature allows you to organize and manage your group chats effectively, ensuring you never miss an important message again. Whether you're looking to rediscover old group chats or simply enhance your messaging experience, this method will help you navigate Messenger on your PC seamlessly. Remember, keeping your group chats organized can streamline your communication and make group interactions more efficient. So, don't hesitate to explore the Archive Chats feature and unlock the hidden groups within your Messenger app. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to find hidden groups on Messenger on your PC. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more informative tutorials.